Right, next topic is expanding brackets. When we expand the bracket, we multiply everything out. So if we're expanding the bracket, 6 open bracket x plus 2, we multiply everything inside the bracket by the number in front of it. So in this one here, they're all pluses, so it means my answers are going to be pluses. And then I'd be saying 6 times x is 6x, and then it's a plus, and then 6 times 2 is 12. So it becomes 6x plus 12. So if I said 5x, open bracket, x plus 3, the difference with this question now is I've also got an x in front of it. So now instead of multiplying by just the 6 and just the 5, I've got to multiply everything by 5x. So I'd be saying 5x times x. There's a 5 there, and then x times x becomes x squared. And then you've got 5x times 3. So you'd be going up, 1 5x is 5x, 2 5x is a 10x, so 3 5x's are 15x. Sometimes they're not always plus. Sometimes you get them where there's a minus in them. So if I said 3x time and then multiplied by x minus 2. When I'm looking at this one now, you got 3x times x is 3x squared. And then there's a minus in the middle. And 3x times 2 is 6x. And the last type I'm going to go through on this video is where it says expand and simplify. So this is looking at where you have two brackets, like 6, x plus 2 plus 3, x plus 2. So what we have now is two separate brackets. So what we have to do is multiply out the first bracket, then multiply out the second bracket, and collect them together. So when I multiply out the first bracket, I get 6 times x is 6x. And then like before, it's plus, and then 6 times 2 is 12. I now do that second bracket. So it becomes 3 times x is 3x. And 3 times 2 is 6. So I've multiplied out the two brackets, and now I've got to collect them together. So I've got a 6x and a plus 3x. Because they are both x's, I can collect them together. So 6x add 3x is 9x. And 12 add 6. 12 add 6 is 18. So 9x plus 18. Let's do one with a minus in. Last question. Imagine I put a minus there. So we've got minus 5 times x plus 3. So we're just going to look at one slightly different. So with this question now, I do 7 times x is 7x. And then 7 times 3 is 21. And now you're multiplying. Minus 5 times x is minus 5x. And minus 5 times 3 is minus 15. And now we bring it all together. Now I look at, because a minus times a plus is a minus. Remember, a negative times a positive equals a negative. Thank you. So let's collect them together. We got 7x take away 5x. So 7x take away 5x is 2x. And then we got 21 take away 15. So if you've got like 21, it's above 0, so it's plus 21. You come back down 15, you're still above 0. So it's plus 6. So it's 2x plus 6. And that's single brackets and expanding and simplifying. We need to do double brackets. We'll do that one in the next video.